friends, so this is not a normal video. I just wanted to give you a little update on the channel because there have been a couple of changes that I just want to be like super transparent with you guys about. Where to start? You may have noticed that I've actually reduced my posting schedule. Like the last couple months, I've only been posting every other week, and that's just because I've got a lot of things going on. And you know, these videos, they do take typically, like I would say 3 to 6 weeks to film one of these videos. That means I have many videos going on at once, which is normally fine, but now I've just got a few other projects in the works. You might know about, maybe I'll link it here, my new channel that I've just started for my pottery templates. Anyway, long story short, I've just got more stuff going on. So I slightly reduced my posting schedule with the intention, not just to give you guys less content and free up my schedule, but actually to, you know, focus more on quality videos over quantity. Because I felt like, you know, in spring or so, I kind of felt like I was on this rabbit, what do you call it? No, I kind of felt like I was on this like hamster wheel situation, just producing videos, and I just didn't have enough time to like put the thought in. And it shows, like the new videos that I've produced since reducing my schedule are better. Like you guys are definitely watching them more. My channel has grown. So I'm really happy to have reduced my schedule, but that does mean that I'm not producing as much videos for you guys. So there's kind of two things that come along with that now. My thought is that I could go back to a weekly schedule if I'm able to hire an editor. I'm not a huge fan of editing. I mean, editing is very satisfying work. I enjoy it when it's done, but it just takes a huge chunk of my life. Like, I think I'm just really slow because it typically takes me like 2 solid work days to edit a video. And that's just like, you know, 2/5, well, usually I work. It doesn't matter. That's just like too much of my week to do that every week. And yeah, that's why I reduced the schedule. But my thought is that if I can hire an editor, then I could go back to a weekly schedule. Then I could, you know, focus more on the production of the videos instead of the post-production. So that is leading me into my next step, which simultaneously happened. A couple of things happened simultaneously. Me thinking about that, and then also I did have a video blow up for me, what was like a total blow up for me. This is my air conditioning video. If you haven't seen that, you guys seem to really love that video, and it had like a little viral moment, which is very interesting. A lot of people who aren't interested in pottery jumped on and had a lot to say about that video, and that was really cool. It's opened up a lot of doors for me, but that said, I'm committed to you guys, you guys who watch my videos every 2 weeks. I'm firmly rooted in the pottery community, and I'm not trying to be like this massive YouTuber or anything. But having that video blow up and bring in a whole bunch of new subscribers has led me to getting approached by sponsors. Okay, so this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about, is that I'm going to be taking on some sponsors now. I want to make it clear that this is not just like a money grab for me. This is a investment in growing my business so that I can bring in more people and eventually, hopefully, an editor to up my content again, to go back to the original weekly schedule, but keeping these high quality videos that I am able to have the time to put more effort into, that kind of stuff. So what else did I want to say? Yeah, of course, I'm only going to be working with sponsors that I believe in, companies who I've tried, companies who I think that like are a net positive for the world. That's really important to me because I do have strong politics around consumption, and I don't want to, yeah, just someone dangle a dollar bill in front of me and do whatever the hell people want. So I've already got the next 3 videos lined up with sponsors, which is very exciting. The first one that you guys are going to be seeing on Wednesday is a company that I really genuinely use, and I was so excited when they reached out to me. So you'll see who that is soon. And yeah, I mean, as I said, I have the next 3 videos booked. I have no idea if I'm even gonna get sponsorship deals after that, but I wanted to hop on here and give you guys an update about this before I release my first sponsored video, because yeah, this is kind of like a little inside view into running a YouTube channel. More becomes possible if I increase my income. And to be perfectly honest, I don't know if you guys know anything about how YouTube works, but I get paid by the ads, and what I get paid by YouTube is not that much. It's not really enough to live on. So bringing in the sponsorships is going to make me have hopefully a more financially stable life, but also allow me to, you know, look towards the future and hopefully invest in an editor. That would be really, really cool. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys like a little, you know, peek behind the curtains on why I'm making certain decisions that I'm making, keeping you guys in the loop. So I'm just gonna keep pumping out the highest quality videos that I can make for you. As always, if there's a video you want me to make, definitely leave it down below in the comments. I read every single one of the comments. I can't always respond to them, but I do read them all. So thank you so much for that. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. And yeah, Wednesday is gonna be a good one, so stay tuned.